Okay, do you want to learn how to sign up on the Western Union website? Well, if you say yes, you're in the right time. So to get started, click register. You will have to wait for the page to load. Now you have to enter your first name, middle name, optional, or you can click this box, I don't have a middle name. Then enter your surname, date of birth, your email address, create your password, address, additional information. Then we will ask you this question if you ever need to reset your password. Once you have done that, click I acknowledge. I have read the terms and conditions and online privacy policy. Now click complete. You will have to go to your email to verify the username. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like. Don't forget to go to the Weird Coins website to find more information about the Bitcoin. Thanks for watching and listening.